Hey friends, I want to show you the Shark WANDVAC. I just bought this because our other hand vacuum, that's a different brand, stopped working. So let me unbox this and show you how to set it up and use it. This Shark WANDVAC is cordless and comes with a base to charge it on. The box says that it comes with tools for vacuuming pet hair, which is great because we have a dog. So I feel like this is super lightweight and fits great in my hand. The specs say that it's only 1.5 pounds. So let's put this together. The back of the base needs to be attached like this, and it holds a long crevice tool and a short pet brush attachment. Since it's not charged, I will plug it in for a while because right now the light is pulsing, which means that it needs to charge. And then once the light is solid, it's ready to use. That powerful suction cleans this mess up fast, and I didn't need to use the boost button. I highly recommend this Shark Wand vac because it's lightweight and has excellent suction.